rolling? Okay. So I'm going to show you how to install a dropper on the Apollo right here. This is for if you ever need to hook one up or reinstall yours. Maybe it broke or it's poorly adjusted. Anyway, you're going to do it just like this. So you should be able to pull this all the way up out from the seat tube. If you can't get all the way out, then turn your bars so that the dropper is closer to your seat tube so that you can get a little extra cable out, because that's going to help us hook this up. So if yours doesn't already look like this, then what you're going to do is either get one of these from us or from your local bike shop, and this is just the little retention nut and bolt, and hold on, put this in here. So you take a 3 mil on one side, two and a half mil on this side. Sorry, so we get 2 mil. And just, that's a little retention screw, and this just slides over the cable. So the way I do this, and I have pretty big hands, about is that I just try to space it with tension on the cable, with the nut as far down onto your fingers as it'll go, and then the little cable housing cover against the knuckle, and that, at least with me, gives me the right amount of throw on it. So I'd call that maybe a 1/2 inch, a little less. Alright, but once that's tight, kind of tuck the tail of that cable down. And then if you don't have awful calluses on your thumbs like I do, and can just push this down, then get like a screwdriver or a pair of pliers and hold that into position. Take this little nut, slide it in, and then make sure that that cable seats all the way. And when this is fully extended, your tail should come down to right past the bottom of your dropper post. Now, what you're going to do is, if you can get any purchase on your front of your cable, you're going to kind of push this down in while slowly pulling it out until it's at the length of where you want it. Alright, so we'll set this up right here. And if you can't get the cable to slide, then we're going to go ahead and give you a demonstration on how to slide the motor down so that you can negotiate this cable. But that'll be next week. So that's pretty much it. Now if you go up to here, you should be able to actuate your dropper. And we can see that our dropper is in fact working. But that's going to do it. So that was how to install a dropper on the Apollo.